Holidays and healthy eating don't go hand in hand, but here are a few ways to help you indulge and yet not pack on those extra kilos and pounds. So let's talk about these 5 tips that help you eat better when you are out on a vacation. The first point, treat yourself. Splurge in the tastiest treat, but make sure that you eat in moderation. Help yourself with 1 or 2 serving and not the entire portion. Restricting too much can set a cycle of overindulgence and guilt. So the key is to eat yet in moderation. So the second point, fill your plate with vegetables. Make sure you also start your meal with a vegetable. With vegetables taking up quite a bit of your space in the stomach, you will be left with lesser space for that unhealthy stuff. And this is how you balance out your portion size. The third point, take small bites. Nibbling encourages you to take smaller bites to eat. Taking smaller bite encourages you to eat more slowly, giving enough time for your body to feel full. Well, it also helps you savor the food, which in turn helps you eat much lesser. The fourth point, have your sweet but not as a dessert. So whenever you're out on a vacation and you want to eat your favorite pie, make sure you have it as a meal all by itself. This will ensure that your energy from that sweet gets optimized and it's not converted to fat. So here's another click for you to enjoy your sweet and yet not gain fat. And the fifth point, schedule a walk talk. Adding an extra exercise to your vacation is going to go a long way. Make sure your vacation does not just revolve around eating food and opting for a good restaurant, but make sure you also have your vacation gathering as a time to reconnect with your loved ones over a walk and a quick talk. This will ensure a better emotional bond, and yes, it will go a long way in terms of watching your weight too. Happy holidays!